let's say, was what was not the idea of the workshop was to find answers to very concrete questions on digital disruption or digitization. Because I had the feeling that all of the ZHdK members had some ideas, some concerns, maybe some questions concerning digitization, but nobody had the answer. And so the concept of the workshop was to bring together for during 2 days quite a lot of people from outside ZHdK, from ZHdK. And from ZHdK it was very important for me to have students and lecturers and professors. And during these days it was just about kind of collecting topics, questions, to have a kind of a corpus, kind of an amount of even more questions to find out what could be relevant for ZHdK, on what should we work in the next 2 or 3 years. And I think that from this point of view, it was more or less successful. So we have now really a huge amount of topics which are not in ranged or whatever. It's just there, and it will be our task now for the next couple of weeks to bring a certain order in this amount of topics and arguments, and trying to find out what is really relevant for ZHdK. We have to kind of prioritize these arguments, and then it as I said at the end of the workshop, we will try to send out the paper we will write now to all the other participants of the workshop, and to get feedback from them, with the idea to have a solid and robust paper. And then the next step would be, how can we bring in now these arguments into ZHdK, in the building, in the teaching, in the research. And I have some very clear ideas. Maybe that there will be soon a Z module on big data, for example, or there will be maybe a summer academy on certain aspects of what we were talking about. So this will be for the, let's say, work during summer, and I hope that when we have the next series of Z models, of the new ones in January 16, that you would see some first impacts of this workshop.